Hi mga UVJ, ako ulit. So, kamusta kayo dyan? Tingnan natin. Para po sa mga new subscriber natin, thank you so much po. Okay. Stay connected po tayo. Sa mga returning subscriber, thank you po sa support. Maraming salamat po sa pag-share, sa pag-like, sa pag-comment po. Thank you so much. I see you. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang update sa ating mga UVJ ngayong araw. I mean, Friday. Let's see. Siya nga po pala kung gusto niyo ng mga Virgo stuff, maglilink ako ng dyan sa description box. Magdadrop ako ng link. Kung sa may mga gusto lang naman po, wala naman pong sapilitan eh. Mga accessories po or shirts, cap. Kayo po, okay. Lilink ko na lang po sa description box mamaya. Sa mga interesado lang po. Okay. Mga Virgo stuff. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Oh my God! 10 of Pentacles, different card, Virgo. 10 of Pentacles, anyari sa'yo? Ace of Swords, idea. Sorry. Sorry lang. Nadadala lang ako sa energy ng card mo. My God, good things happen, Virgo. For those people na blessing talaga to, blessing. Idea, ang dami mong idea, Virgo. May mga magpa-pop out lang sa'yo ng mga idea today. Or kung kailan mo napapanood tong video na to, time is fluid, maaaring nangyari na, mangyayari pa lang, or kasalukuyang nangyayari. Basta makaka-feel ka na may parating, na may nakadestined para sa'yo when it comes to finances, Virgo. Okay. Tsaka yung mga idea mo dito talagang pasok. Talagang mag-create ng generational wealth. Legit, Virgo, legit. So, let's see. What else? Galing naman. Jeez. Tower card. Very unexpected sa'yo to, Virgo. Hindi mo inaasahan. Just let me know on the comments below. The moment naman nung papanood nyo tong video na to. Okay, sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. At saka let me know po. Share naman dyan. Okay. So, meron kang unexpected idea na magbibigay sa'yo ng financial long-term kind of freedom. Financially freed. Ano ang tawag nun? Freed. Ewan ko basta. With the 10 of Pentacles, pasensya, ang dami. It's grabe. Parang itong mga idea na to talagang walang atrasan eh. Meaning to say, once na makapasok ka, lifetime na yun. Okay. Lifetime ng, I don't know, Virgo, there is something here. Lifetime. Nasa sayo na lang yun kung paano mo i-operate. Pero merong lifetime dito. Na once, hindi ko lang kung anong ginawa ang bottom of the deck. Knight of Cups. You're attracting something here, Virgo. Or if not, emotions are running high. Okay. Or maybe may nakakakita sa'yo na you are being sweet, or I don't know, someone is hopeless, romantic, very romantic, offering some emotion. Okay. So, let's see. King of Pentacles. Yush, Virgo. King of Pentacles and the Emperor, the boss. Yush, the boss energy, Emperor. King of Pentacles and boss energy, Virgo. Wala po tayong gender sa energy, but at the same time, you are very dominant, Virgo, when it comes to this idea. very confident ka and you know what you are doing. Ay very unexpected. I think matagal mo na 'tong minanifest and then it will come to fruition already, Virgo. It will come, it will manifest into reality. Nandito na, Virgo. Nandito na si... Basta meron na, nandito na. You will feel the boss energy. Tawag niyan, you can manage your own time here, Virgo. with the King of Pentacles, entrepreneurial mindset, magmumula sa idea mo. Ang idea mo is very unexpected, para bagang, you know what I mean. And then boom, pasok. This is lifetime, walang atrasan, depende yan sa pag-nurture mo. Okay, but with the Emperor card, experience ka na, well experience, meaning to say, ay sorry, may Seven of Swords. Meaning to say, willing kang dive deep kasi meron kang mga tools, meron kang experience, life experience. So, may embody mo dito or mafe-feel mo yung boss energy. Okay. So, or maybe idea mo is creating a business very unexpectedly, or hindi mo ina-expect na darating ng maaga. You know what I mean? Whatever this is, Virgo, baka meron kang in-expect, ay dumating agad na samantalang hinihintay ko pa yung, you know what I mean, very unexpected with the Tower card. Okay. So doon na mag-aano yung mga idea, boss energy mo, doon na matitrigger ang fiery energy mo, passion. Go, Virgo, go. Okay. With the King of Wands, naglalabasan ng king. Hello, Virgo. For some of you, as I said, Emperor, nasa iyo. Ano to, 4 in 1 ang Emperor. Pero at the same time, nagpa-pop out sila isa-isa. In every different situation, iba yata yung karakter na ginagamit mo dito. Okay, so with the King of Wands, or second scenario na napipick up ko dito is, there is multiple people here recognizing. Nare-recognize kung ano ang capable kang gawin, anong potential mo, anong idea meron ka, paano mo diskartehan yung sitwasyon na mahirap, paano ka, like, you know what I mean, Virgo? And baka sila ang masya-shock, or baka silang magkakaroon ng idea na, ay, deserve ni Virgo ng ganito. Paano kaya ako makipag-business partner ako or something? Or build something with Virgo. Build something long term when it comes to finances. Or sometimes it can represent marriage, proposal. She's Virgo. Ace of Wands. Anong nangyari? Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords, Virgo. This is the time. Naka-align ka, this is your timeline, Virgo. Kaya pala nasa elemento mo ay. Meaning to say, with the Ten of Pentacles, meron kang, most especially sa mga Virgo na merong fire signs sa chart. Iaano ko lang yan dan. Put out ko lang. Disclaimer. Don't shoot the messenger. Okay, so nakikita ko dito, Virgo, let me know, okay? Let me know, comment below if nangyari na, mangyayari pa lang, or kasalukuyang nangyayari ang ganitong energy para sa'yo. Okay. Yung passion, yung idea, oh my God, alam mo, pasok ka, this is forever. Marami kang na-attract at the same time. But this is matured. Hindi to immature. Marami ditong offer, tendency na mag-offer. Okay. Itong tatlong person na to dito, or maybe you are embodying the boss energy, deserve mong maging boss. Deserve mong maging manager, deserve mong hindi ka dapat employee lang. Wala ka sa posisyon ng employee kasi masyado kang maraming idea, masyado kang maraming with the passion card. At saka pag may idea ka, talagang pinupush mo, talagang pinapakita mo sa mundo kung paano yung idea mo. I mean, hindi man nila alam paano mo ginawa, pero nakita nila yung struggle, or baka nakikita nila kung for some of them, hindi naman majority of them na nakita ka talaga na, you know what I mean. But for some of them, majority, nakikita kung paano ka dumaan sa proseso. Paano mo dinaskartehan. Paano mo dinaskartehan yung hindi na sa isip nila madiskartehan. Pero ginawa mo pa rin ng paraan. Okay, very unexpected. Hindi nila alam kung first scenario yan na. Second scenario yung napupulot ko dito, Virgo, you are embodying 4 in 1. And one person, kada sitwasyon mo, iba ang pinapakita mong character. So, that is a very, very good sign na makaka-attract ka ng talagang yung naka-align sa pathway mo. Meaning to say, nakaano ka na eh. Parang nasa timeline ka ng abundance, Virgo. Be open and receive, Virgo. Saan nakikita ko dito? Who's that? Wait. Sensya ka na, Virgo. Okay ba? Medyo may patalastas lang. So, saan na ba ako? Basta yun ang nakikita ko dito. Very, very good energy, Virgo. Naka-align ka. You are on the right path. Lalo na pag makakakita ka ng mga repeating numbers. Confirmation, Google mo agad. What is? Dami nun, di pwede. Meron kang 3 of Swords. Okay. Merong masyashock dito, someone. 8 of Cups. Walking away. Walk out siya, oh. Hindi niya kaya energy dito eh. Hindi ko alam kung sino tong person na to. Either way, Virgo. Pero walk away siya eh. Hindi niya kaya. Or in some point, stuck or something. Or in some point dito, Virgo, nakikita ko para bang dati stuck ka kung nasaan ka man. Naging heartbroken ka, umalis ka kung yung para bang may kasabihan na hindi ka mag-heal sa lugar na doon ka lumagapak. Like, you know, hindi ko alam kung totoo yan, nakasabi-sabi. Pero parang sa nakikita ko dito, in-remove mo tinanggal mo yung sarili mo sa places, things, people na talagang rejection is protection anyway, Virgo. Tingnan mo naman. Okay. So, para sa second scenario, ang tawag niyan na sa mga nang iwan or iniwan ka. Kung ikaw man ang nang iwan, deserve mong iwan talaga yon kasi ang deserve mo dito is to be your own boss. Meaning to say, meron ka ditong para sa'yo mission eh. Okay. So, sa nakikita ko, you need to walk away on something specific. Okay. Or in some point, merong hindi kakayanan ng powers mo dito. Kaya kailangan mag-walk away, heartbroken. Okay. What else? Tingnan natin. Let me know more. The Hermit card. The more na nag-i-introspect to. Okay. Pinag-aralan mo to. Okay. Minanifest mo to, as I said, nasa iyo lahat ng tools. So, okay. Kaya mong i-maneuver ang sitwasyon dito, Virgo. Together with the Queen of Wands. So, meron na tayong couple, King and Queen of Wands. Okay, so merong couple dito na nakikita. Okay. Pero in some point, merong unexpected walking away. Hindi ko alam kung sino sa'yo yan. Nag-walk away kasi hindi kaya ang powers mo dito. Okay. Or in some point, stuck ka before at saka nag-walk away ka. And then nakita mo ang resulta ng pag-walk away mo sa sitwasyon, ang resulta ng heartbreak na binigay sa'yo kung sino man yan. Okay. 10 of Cups, oh. 10 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles. Laging lumalabas sa'yo yan, Virgo. With the Magician card, King of Wands, merong nakakita sa'yo dito na you are going through something, merong kang knowledge, merong kang wisdom, and you're still seeking. At saka, tawag niyan. Or maybe this is you only, Virgo. Second scenario. Baka ikaw lang to, makaka-attract ka ng the same energy mo. Okay. As I said, kung ikaw ang Virgo na merong fire sign sa chart mo, then congratulations, this is really resonated for you. Like, nasa timeline ka, naka-align ka. Okay. It's all about abundance, Virgo. This is your year. Or even this is your month. Ito masasabi ko. Tell me more. Two of Wands. Two of Wands at saka, oh my God, the Lovers. The Lovers yan. Kailangan decision making. Two of Wands, Virgo, upright. Meron kang plano dito or merong nagpaplano sa'yo. Di ko alam kung aware ka, pero baka ikaw ang may plano or someone is planning something when it comes to stabilizing, Virgo. Future po dito pinag-uusapan. Okay, so kung ano man yung mga idea mo, Virgo, passionate kang gawin, i-try mo, walang mawawala. Okay, wala namang, I mean, hindi ko naman sinabi walang mawawala. I-try mo and then you will see the result. Okay. I think may ignite yung fire side mo dito. Okay, the Devil Guard. The Devil Guard in the reverse. Okay. So, toxicity, bad behavior, codependency, I think the devil is in the reverse. And the Lovers, kailangan mong i-let go. Kaya ka siguro may mga walking away dito, tsaka Three of Swords. Kailangan mong mag-walk away sa mga taong no longer serving you or no longer beneficial into the situation. There is no growth, walang pupuntahan. Okay, and you know that. At saka with the Tower card, ang universe or ang source ang gagawa dito talaga ng paraan para i-kick out ka sa sitwasyon na hindi ka fit or person or situation or place. Okay. Redirection ang ano dito, Virgo. What else? Seven of Pentacles in the reverse. Okay, for some of you, meron ditong hindi makapag-antay or very impatient na mag-antay. Four of Cups. Miss opportunity. Merong nagkaroon ng miss opportunity sa'yo dito, Virgo. Sa yun nakikita ko. Together with the Queen of Cups. Ooh. Yung nurturing side mo, Virgo, carrying, maalalahanin. Still searching for that energy. Still lingering. I mean, tawag niyan. Yung late reaction na masasabi. Late reaction yung tipong ang layo mo na hindi ka na maabot tas saka palang magre-react. Na doon palang marirealize sa huli na they need you. You know what I mean, Virgo? So, tingnan natin kung anong advice dito. What is the advice here? Ganda, ganda, Virgo. Decision making din when it comes to things that you love. Okay. Kailangan mo mag-decision dito. Nothing is yet set in stone, definitely, kasi nasa crossroad ka, pero kailangan mo mag-move or someone here is nag-iisip, okay, kaya merong impatient card. Kasi nagkaroon na ng miss opportunity dito when it comes to the situation together with you. Okay, with the Queen of Cups, ikaw ang pinakamagandang nangyari sa buhay ng person na to, or there is someone you are very impatient with, or merong nauubos ng pasensya dito, okay, because of the opportunity na na-miss. Okay. So, nothing is yet set in stone. So, baka ikaw, hindi ka pa makapag-direct ng decision, or maybe someone here na hindi makapag-direct na na hindi makapag-direkta ba na tuluyang magstay sa situation. Okay. Be bold and make the first move. Okay. Ano man yan sa'yo, Virgo. Look at the bigger picture. Ang bottom of the deck. What else? Look at the bigger picture, Virgo. Use your own discernment. A personal issues reaches resolution. Yeah, a win-win outcome is in the forecast. So, either way, Virgo, kung sino man yung may hinilakit sa'yo, and then kung sino man yung ubos na ang pasensya, then let them go. Okay. Hindi kawalan. Alam mo sa sarili mo yan. Either way, use your own discernment, Virgo. Sitwasyon mo yan. Okay. So, tignan natin kung anong advice dito yung sa message number. Meron kang 8, 687. Galing naman. 687 Virgo, Google mo siya. Maaaring maka-resonate sa sitwasyon mo. Okay, maminsahe ka dyan. So, thank you for being here, Virgo. Sana naman ay nag-gets. Pasensya na ako, nagmamambling ako or nadidilot ako or hindi ko maipagtagpi-tagpi ng maayos. Basta sa lahat ng mga words na lumabas sa bibig ko, kung naka-resonate man kayo, thank you in advance. Sa mga hindi po maka-resonate, better luck next time po. So, this is what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one and bye for now.